All right, folks, here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Today we happen to be here at Manitowoc, Wisconsin. This city is definitely one of my favorites too, and I always say it's my favorite. And yes, I like Wisconsin. I love Wisconsin, people. So every city here in Wisconsin has their own character. Their architecture and everything is all like really unique. So I highly recommend that if you guys ever had a chance to come into Manitowoc, give it a shot. Here in Manitowoc, you can always take the ship from Manitowoc to Lansing, Michigan. Look at the architecture. It looks just beautiful. It is absolutely nice. We are walking a few blocks here in Manitowoc, Wisconsin, so you can see how it looks. But in summertime, I took a ship from, it's called the Badger ship. So you take the Badger ship from Manitowoc to Wisconsin. If you guys wanted to see that video, it is already posted here in Jessica in Wisconsin. It is actually a lot of fun. I want to do that next year too again, so I can make a better video for you guys, so you get to see how it is. I was looking at this clock over here, people. This is very, very, very unique clock. It is beautiful. Look at this. I never seen such a thing. It is huge as well. But we are here in downtown Manitowoc walking, so you get to see the city, how it looks. Everything is like Christmas. It is one day after Christmas. So give it a shot, come and visit. I recommend it that you guys do. This is Jessica in Wisconsin, from Wisconsin, sharing these beautiful towns here in Wisconsin. Look at the architecture. And look at this beautiful clock. It's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. So thank you for watching and subscribing to our channels, Jessica in Wisconsin. Hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. Thank you for watching us again. And thank you for subscribing to our channels, Jessica in Wisconsin. If you guys want to learn how to speak Spanish, we got Jessica Angeles Querétaro in Wisconsin. It is one channel that is only in Spanish for people that want to learn how to speak Spanish and practice your Spanish. We'll see you next time.